Hi guys, so before we jump into the video, let's go ahead and give a shout out to our sponsor. And today's sponsor is Premium Jane. Let me tell you guys about the company. Premium Jane is a company that strives to raise the standards of CBD knowledge among the population by providing high quality CBD products together with educational articles. The company has a strong belief in CBD's healing power and helping nature. Premium Jane has the right to call their products premium and natural because all of their products are made with natural ingredients only. Each new product is being tested by the third-party laboratory. Premium Jane targets quality, not quantity. As you may see, the company has not a very high range of products at the current moment because Premium Jane is paying special attention to every product. Of course, Premium Jane is developing, and you will be available to see new products commercially available on the website very soon. And the main differentiating factors between Premium Jane and other competitors are the high quality and purity of each product. All right, guys? So most of this information can be found on their blog, which is premiumjane.com/blog/. And I will put a link in the description for you guys to check out their blog. Now, I'm going to tell you how I use my products and why I use my products. I personally use CBD oil for anxiety, and since the pandemic is here and has changed everybody's life, it has really calmed my nerves and my stress levels down. Even when I'm working, I also feel like it helps me focus on my task and I'm able to complete my assignments. So that's why I use it. Also, I love taking the CBD gummies to help me drift off into a nice natural sleep without waking me up in the middle of the night. And in the morning, I feel refreshed and rested without feeling groggy or tired. And I love these products because they work. They calm you down and you're able to have a great night's sleep, especially if you use these at night. You can just doze off to a nice natural sleep without feeling medicated. So I highly recommend these products. I take the Premium Jane CBD gummies in the flavor strawberry with a broad spectrum of 25 mg, and they come in vegan cubes. So if you are vegan, these are safe for you to take. I also take the Premium Jane Premium CBD oil in the flavor mint, and this is 600 mgs. And a link for everything will be in the description, guys. So be sure to check them out, and thank you so much, Premium Jane, for sponsoring this video. And now on to the hair butter. Hey guys, so for this video you will need safflower oil. You'll also need olive oil. You'll need fragrance oil of your choice. Today I am using strawberry fragrance oil, palm oil, and shea butter. Optional, you will need a piping bag with a piping tip on here, some mica, which is also optional. Here is my mica that I'll be using today, which is going to be the Shimmer Lemon Pop, Shimmer Blueberry Pop, Shimmer Grape Pop, and also the Shimmer Raspberry Pop. You will need a mixer to mix everything in and some extra bowls to distribute your mica powders in. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I am going to warm up the shea butter just for a couple of minutes to get it a little bit soft. For today, I'll be using my KitchenAid stand mixer for this, but you can use any mixer that you have. and I'm actually going to use my whisk attachment for this. So this is my shea butter and it is melted. Palm oil in there. Next we'll put in our safflower oil and our olive oil. So let's go ahead and give this a whirl. Alright guys, so once you get to a consistency that looks about like this, or the kind of consistency that you like for your hair, you can go ahead and stop. This is what mine looks like. It looks like a shaving foam. That's what mine looks like. So now we're just gonna put some in each container because we are doing colors. So we're gonna try to do this evenly. So let's go ahead and add our colors. Alright guys, so all of your colors should be mixed in and it should look about like this. We have our purple colorant, and then we have our red colorant, yellow and blue. So let's go ahead and start to put that in a piping bag. So I've just laid my saran wrap down and we're just going to place these all in a row, and we're going to do this like we do a rainbow, which the colors are going to be red on first, and then we'll go to the yellow, blue and the purple. You're gonna get your jars ready. I have 4 jars. So I have more jars than this, but I think this is probably gonna fill at least 4 jars. I think this is like a 4-ounce jar. If you like a big jar, use a big jar, you know, use what you like. And now we're just gonna open up our piping bag and we are going to slide that right in there. So this recipe made about 4 of these. And I hope you guys enjoy, and if you like it, please share it on my YouTube channel Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Babylon, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.